Are you running an Adobe Commerce store in Germany and wondering why your conversion rates don't match your traffic volumes? What I'm about to reveal might fundamentally change how you view your hosting infrastructure. Right now, German e-commerce stores are hemorrhaging thousands of euros daily, not from inferior products or ineffective marketing campaigns, but from one critical decision most business owners approach incorrectly. German online consumers rank among the most demanding globally. Research demonstrates they abandon websites loading slower than 3 seconds. However, speed represents just one dimension of a complex challenge. German businesses operate under exceptionally stringent data protection regulations. Customer information must remain within German territorial boundaries without exception. GDPR violations trigger penalties reaching 20 million euros, or 4% of annual global turnover, whichever proves higher. Meanwhile, Adobe Commerce demands substantial computational resources. Unlike basic content management systems, this enterprise platform requires specialized infrastructure configurations. Industry analysis of successful German Adobe Commerce implementations reveals a specific success formula. Winners understand that compliance forms the foundation, not an afterthought. Your hosting infrastructure must guarantee complete data residency within German borders alongside comprehensive GDPR compliance certifications. Privacy-conscious German consumers expect this level of protection as standard practice. Nevertheless, regulatory compliance alone proves insufficient. Your hosting environment requires Adobe Commerce-specific optimizations, including proper PHP configurations, Redis caching mechanisms, and Elasticsearch capabilities. Consider this analogy. Operating Adobe Commerce on generic hosting resembles running Formula One racing on standard fuel. The performance degradation becomes immediately apparent. As a German company founded in 2011, we understand these challenges intimately because we live them daily. You know how Germans are famous for their engineering precision and efficiency? Well, that's exactly what we bring to Adobe Commerce hosting. We leverage AWS's Frankfurt region to deliver enterprise-grade infrastructure while maintaining complete data sovereignty. Every customer interaction, every transaction, every piece of personal data remains within German borders through our expertly configured cloud architecture. German shopping seasonality demands automatic scaling capabilities. Our AWS-powered infrastructure automatically accommodates Black Friday traffic surges and Christmas market seasons without service interruptions. Think German punctuality meets cloud scalability. Your site stays online when it matters most. When technical issues emerge at 2 a.m., you receive expert assistance in German from our certified Adobe Commerce specialists who understand both AWS cloud architecture and German business requirements. According to Adobe's documentation, Commerce monitors over 200 performance metrics. We leverage AWS CloudWatch alongside our proprietary monitoring for proactive optimization, predicting issues before they impact your customers. Every day operating on inadequate hosting infrastructure allows competitors to capture customers you should serve. The German e-commerce landscape demands excellence, and hosting choices directly impact market positioning. As Germany's specialized Adobe Commerce hosting experts, we combine AWS enterprise infrastructure with that legendary German attention to detail. Our managed cloud hosting eliminates the guesswork while delivering the performance and compliance German businesses demand. Ready to experience what German-engineered Adobe Commerce Cloud Hosting delivers? Contact our team for a comprehensive AWS-powered performance analysis. Because when Germans do hosting, we do it right the first time. Please like, subscribe, and share the video if you found it helpful. We'll see you next time.